Most families lose $200 400/month and never notice. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where that money is going and what to do about it right now. Stay with me. Here's the thing nobody talks about. It's never one big expense. It's dozens of small, invisible ones. Subscriptions you forgot you signed up for. Groceries you bought and threw away. Bills you've been paying at full price for years without question. The average family is losing well over $200 a month this way, and the fix isn't complicated. You just need to see it clearly. Here are the 5 changes. Number 1, audit every subscription. Number 2, plan before you shop. Number 3, calculate your delivery spend. Number 4, track every dollar for 30 days. Number 5, one afternoon is all it takes. Done in one afternoon, these put real money back in your pocket this month. If you want the full system, I put together a guide called the Family Budget Reset, everything you need to get started. Get it at ccdaily.gumroad.com/l/family-budget-reset. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Practical tips every week. Link in the description to get started. See you in the next video.